In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Odyssey monitor to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any monitor from Samsung and connect it to a MacBook. This is going to work, like I said, for any model of Odyssey monitor that you have and any MacBook. So even though I'm going to be talking about the Pro specifically for this video, you can follow the same general steps and apply it to any other model, such as the MacBook Air. So all that you have to do is establish a physical connection between both of these devices. So look at the ports available on your monitor and the MacBook. The most convenient way to establish this connection is going to be through HDMI. Basically, every single monitor from Samsung will feature at least one HDMI port. You might also have DisplayPort and sometimes USB-C. These can also be a viable way to connect these devices, but the most convenient one and the one that is going to apply for most people is going to be HDMI. So this is the one that I'm going to be focusing on this video. However, you can use various different connection types and simply you have to pick the one that you prefer. For HDMI, you plug one end of an HDMI to HDMI cable into your MacBook. So in this example here, I have the MacBook Pro and it does have an HDMI port. So you just plug one end here and then the other one goes into the Samsung monitor on the respective port. You might also have DisplayPort, so be careful not to mix them up. This is the one that you are looking for. And once this connection has been established between the two HDMI ports on both devices, it is going to be detected. And if you go over to the display settings on your MacBook, you will be able to configure the Samsung monitor as an external display. You can mirror the image on both displays, or you can use it as an additional external display. And all that you have to do is establish a connection. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also establish its connection through USB-C or DisplayPort. The baseline is that you have to use a proper cable or an adapter to get the monitor hooked up directly to the MacBook. So if your MacBook doesn't have HDMI, for example, you need to explore one of the other options. But as long as you use a cable to get this connection done, you will be good to go and it is going to be detected natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Odyssey monitor to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.